Service to humanity as service to God. That's what he said. But I was a bit surprised to see the title itself, because we believe in man, undoubtedly, because we live with man, right? We live with human guys. And should I ask you a few questions? Are you ready to answer? Not with regard to your subject, you know, not with regard to your business management, but a few common questions. Lot of technology is developed. Lot of business is promoted across the world, not only in our country. And we see today there is a lot of terror, lot of danger. And man is, of course, scared of the science. Global warming. Now we are just seeing the fate of Kashmir. And people are talking about it as it is man-made disaster. Not nature does that, because nature is the mother. And no mother ever causes pain to her children. And now why we are facing such a fate now in Kashmir is not just because of the nature, it's just because of we, the humans. Now should I ask you just a few questions? You don't mind, right? Not able to hear. That's right, thank you. Who can add pollution to the water? Water is the life of the humans and all other species on this planet Earth. But who is adding pollution to the water? Can you tell me, please? Man. Right? Who is causing a big breach to the ozone, which is a life-protecting shield around the Earth? Man. Great contribution. Who is polluting the air, which always we breathe 24/7 into 365.4? Man. Who is cutting the trees which are providing us a lot of life? Man. Every credit goes to man only. Who is able to speak lies? Without that, your project will not be successful. Somebody said, man only can speak, animals cannot. And his friend immediately reciprocated, you're right. That's the reason man only can lie, animals do not. How many credibilities, how many accolades we have now? 1, 2, 3, if you are able to count. My friends, we say serving humanity is service to God or as service to God. Now, if you say these many credibilities are there, accreditations, each one is an accreditation for the human, right? Killing the trees, killing the animals, cutting the trees and polluting the water, polluting the air and corrupting the things, and also breaching the ozone and cutting his own tree, his own foot. How great man is. And if at all you feel that God is there, because every religion talk about God, right? Let people talk in their own way, in their own religion, I don't mind. And if at all God having all these living species as his children, and if it is the man who is spoiling rest of the stuff, and all the rest of the things are helping the man for his own survival, and do you think such a man, if we serve to such a man, God is pleased? Tell me, serving humanity is service to God. You people feel it is your responsibility to support, the projects, or probably the, what you call it, CRS or CSR or something. You need, you are probably forced nowadays to provide probably 2% or something like that to support such activities, probably to encourage man. So do you think that man is a great species on this earth? Of course, we want it to be. We want it to be. That's why we suggest always, don't say serving or probably service to humanity is or as service to God. Go beyond that. Come out of the box. And then start thinking. You are living because of the trees, water, air, animals, insects, bacteria, many things. Without them you cannot. And if that is true, not if that is true, that is the truth. And then take care of them too. So we have a motto for our organizations as serve all beings as service to God. Not just service to humanity. Serve all beings. Take care of the trees. Take care of the animals. Take care of the birds. Take care of the water. And take care of the mountains and valleys. And you need to take care of everything around you. Then you are able to survive long. Without them, you won't be surviving. It's not out of compassion that you have to take care of them. It is for your own existence, your own survival, you need to take care of them as a duty. This is also a corporate social responsibility, I feel.
సెరెనిటీ మోడల్ హై స్కూల్ విద్యార్థులకు అమ్మఒడి, సామాన్యులకు అందుబాటులో ఉన్న బడి సెరెనిటీ. మేడ్చల్ జిల్లాలో మేటిగా నిలిచి సాటిలేని ఫలితాలను సాధిస్తున్న నంబర్ 1 స్కూల్ సెరెనిటీ. మా ప్రత్యేకతలు ప్రతి విద్యార్థి పట్ల వ్యక్తిగత శ్రద్ధ, యాక్టివిటీ బేస్డ్ లెర్నింగ్ అండ్ డిజిటల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్స్, కంప్యూటర్ ల్యాబ్, 100% ఫలితాలు, స్పోర్ట్స్ అండ్ కల్చరల్ యాక్టివిటీస్, యోగా, అబాకస్ మరియు వేదిక్ మ్యాథ్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. ప్లీజ్ విజిట్ Serenity Model High School, Nagaram. Admissions are in progress. Call 040-271-46899 and 040-271-48699.